Hey everybody, thank you for tuning into today's video, and in this video I'm going to be upgrading the fake hood vents on my Kia Stinger. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to have to do is take off these hood vents from the hood. As you can tell, the paint is coming off from the factory after a couple of washes, not sure quite why, and I went to them and see if I could get them replaced, and they said no. So I'm going to have to take them off to repaint them before I can put on the new hood vents. All right, so the first part of taking off the hood vents from the hood is I need to take this cloth lining off, which I have to remove all of these little bits first. Alrighty, so I didn't take them all off because I don't need to. I'm gonna leave, took all except for the back three. They're holding it down there. Take the actual hood vents off. We need to take off these 5 bolts on each side. First from the inside and then kind of pull. Alright, and then just pull it off and there you go. It did feel like I was gonna break it, but I didn't. I guess it's these clips here on the side. That's how you remove the hood vents. Let me show you what I am doing. So these are the new ones. They just lay on top like this and cover it up. So if you don't have to repaint it like I do for down here, this is why I need to repaint it for the new ones. No need to take the hood vents off. All right, so the first thing I'm going to do, before I paint, I'm going to sand this down so the paint has something to adhere to. Alrighty, now that I'm done painting and got all the clear coat, I put about 3 layers of clear coat and 3 layers of paint on it. Here you can see it looks pretty good besides the bad sanding job I did. So if you're going to just use this as is and repaint it, obviously go something greater than 120 grit because it still left the marks around. But all I care about are the spots here because that's all that's going to be visible. Now that these are cleaned and dried completely, I took off covers for the tape, so now I'm going to stick it on, make sure it lines up how I want it, like that, and then just press it on nice and firmly. I'm going to try to hold it about 10 seconds each spot where the tape is to make sure that it's securely attached. Alright, so now that this is attached, this is going to be the final product before I put it on the car. I think it looks pretty good. You can't even really tell that it's been repainted in these portions. So let's go ahead and get the other one attached. Alrighty, there we go. Now they are both attached to the fake hood vents. Let's head over to the Kia Stinger and start installing them back on the car. Line it up kind of where it goes. And I think just press it in, super simple. Those are all tightened down. Now to put the hood liner back on. All right, so now to install the hood liner, I had to pick up a pack of the clips for the hood liner off of Amazon because all the ones that I had taken off broke. So if you need some, I will put this link down in the description so you can pick up some for yourself. Is the final result. I don't know why it's showing like it's a different black on camera. It looks very similar in person. It's probably just the fact that the hood vent is super clean compared to the car, which is not very clean. Like I said, I need to wax it and everything, but this is the final result. Alright everybody, that's going to be the end of today's video. Thank you so much for making it this far into the video. So my final thoughts on the hood vents are, I like them a lot better than the stock ones. I like that. To me, they look more aggressive with the 3 ridges on it compared to the 1, and that they're all black, and it gets rid of the chrome, which, as you guys can tell, I'm not the biggest fan of the chrome on this car. The only thing I wish it was an actual hood vent replacement instead of just the sticky cover that goes on top of it, but They do have ones that are complete hood vent replacements, except for those cost $250, and I did not want to spend that much. These were about $60. If you want to pick up a set for yourself, there is a link in the description. Now, once again, you don't have to take off the hood vents if yours don't need to be repainted. You can just stick them directly onto your hood vents once you get them. But in case you do have to take them off to repaint them, I will also include a link to the hood liner clips in the description down below as well. Anyway, let me know your guys' thoughts on the new hood vents. But anyway, if you guys like this video or any other of my content, make sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe, share, put on notifications. It all helps me out tremendously. But once again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Later.